Metal is one of the manufacturers and exporters of pipeline products in China and is capable of providing the best quality pipes, tubes, fittings, flanges, and related accessories. A flange is a disc-shaped part for connecting pipes, valves, equipment, etc. It usually has bolt holes and connects components via bolts. The main function of a flange is to provide sealing and connection to prevent leakage during operation. It works under various pressure and temperature conditions and suits the transportation of diverse fluid media. The socket weld flanges have various characteristics. It has a tight connection for good sealing and less leakage risk. The structure is compact, occupying little space, and suitable for limited spaces. The welding strength is relatively high, meeting the requirements in small caliber pipes. Installation is simple, without complex welding, preparations, or high precision alignment. The cost is moderate, advantageous for some small and medium-sized pipeline systems, and it's suitable for materials like carbon, steel, and stainless steel. However, note that its application may be limited in high pressure, high temperature, or highly corrosive environments.